So you want to become a better musician, and you think it'd be a good idea to do some research, figure out how to go from amateur to professional. Well, I'm here to say it's a lot easier than that. As you can see, I'm about to do exactly what I need to do to become a better musician. And spoiler alert, that's just practicing. So I'm pulling out some headphones. I'm getting my keyboard ready because I'm a keyboardist, if you are new to the channel. And I'm going to plug in my headphones and I'm going to sit in front of my keyboard and I'm going to practice. Because that's how we get better at music. We just take the time to sit with our instrument and perform small, simple songs or parts that are tricky for us, and maybe even ones that aren't tricky for us, because it's just the act of doing. It's the act of sitting there, being able to hear your hear your instrument, and play. And that's it. And I think it's good to take care of our instrument as well, make it a part of that practice routine. So you can see here I'm cleaning my in-ear monitors, trying to make sure that they last me as long as possible. And that's it. So if you're wanting to become a better musician, I just encourage you to practice. Put in the time. Take 15-20 minutes, play some music, and do that every day. And you're going to see results a lot sooner than you think. And if you're going to start practicing, go ahead and drop a comment. Let me know what your instrument is. And let me know that you're practicing, you're keeping up with it. I'm going to do my best to continue practicing because I also want to become a better musician and get better at my craft. So that's all I got for you guys. Go out there, practice.